Hi YouTube, my name is Ahmed and I'm originally from the Caribbean, and this is my channel metalbull. It's about my supercar and other vehicles, and I own this car, my Lamborghini, for a year and a half. I bought it in 2021, and let me let you take a look. This color is 𝐦𝐤𝐤𝐞, I guess metallic gray, the orange caliper. Go around. This is my FAL rifle. I bought it about 4 years ago and I've never fired it, so I would like to take it to the range in the Lamborghini. This is a FAL Voyager from DSA, I think, and this rifle used to be the main battle rifle for NATO countries in the height of the Cold War, except the USA. The USA didn't adopt this rifle. They went with another rifle. So we're gonna see if we could actually fit this in the Lamborghini. So I'm gonna put it. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and open the front storage area here. And this doesn't stand a chance, right? Take a look. It will not fit there. Go ahead, let me show you. So, not a chance. So we're gonna close it, and we're gonna try. We have a little storage here, and we're gonna try to put this in. Cannot get it behind, so it doesn't fit. So we would have to use the FJ Cruiser over here. That will definitely fit. All right. Oh my God, the cat is on my Lamborghini. Okay. That will definitely fit. All right. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. Thank you.